Alright, so we got the lid off here. Check out this hook. Seems pretty good, pretty beefy. The owner's manual. Some stickers. Guide to winching. Here's the fair lead right here. Nice aluminum fair lead. And then what's this here? Is this the power cord for it? Oh no, this is the controller. If you want to use the winch controller. I think it's got a wireless one too. Oh yeah, so you can use it wirelessly, or you can plug it in directly to the winch, which is way cool. So I'll just keep this in the truck with me in the cab. So yeah, you got your wireless or wired mode. Press mode for 3 seconds to turn on. Auto off after 2 minutes. That's cool. Let's see. It's got maybe a little magnet right there so you can attach it. Oh yeah, it's magnetic. See how it's hooked to the hook there. So that's cool. And then I don't know about batteries or whatnot for this. I don't know. Maybe it charges. Plug it in and it'll charge up. I'll have to find out about that. So, owner's manual, fair lead. There's the cable. I don't see any batteries or anything. Just throw that in there for right now. We'll pull this off and take a look at the winch here.